better camera than that one.
So it's currently
2:10 p.m. Don't leave your fan too hot.
so it's currently 2:10 p.m. and we don't know what are we gonna do. So maybe I'm gonna get coffee. Bibili po ako ng kape.
Well, you don't know what we're gonna do. I got it all mapped out.
So I'm gonna get coffee and then maybe, not maybe, but we were gonna walk in Marina again and again and again.
Yeah, farther down by the bridge this time though.
Farther, yes. So, yes guys. Well, we shall see kung anong mailagay ko sa clip na to kasi wala talagang ganap dito. Except may asong tumatay doon sa, daming tae.
I resemble that mark.
This guy's not holding his lane up here.
Oh, but actually the building really looks nice. It's so clear. But not bad. Yung yung camera ni Kuya. Nagpa-practice akong mag-driving kasi I need the driver's license in case lang na na hindi makapag-drive si Chris. Na ako may yung student driver na sticker in case kung ako yung magda-drive, practice lang naman. Yun, may sticker ako. So I just had the burger. I bought a burger and fries for lunch, guys, because that's it, easy, and I can just eat at the park. Ganun. Tapos nandito kami ngayon sa sa Secret Garden. Pakita ko sa iyo yung garden, ha? Garden. Yung garden ko, you know, city garden. And then so story time, tatagalog ko na lang, ha. So anong nangyari, bumili ako ng super duper burger for an easy meal, and then I'm having coffee too. So I went to Pete's. So what happened is binigyan niya ako ng umaapaw na kape. Hindi man lang niya nilinis. So ang ginawa ko, pumunta ako sa counter. Hindi ako galit, pero parang naiinis lang ako slight. So ang ginawa ko is, since pinatrabaho niya pa ako pa yung nagtapon sa excess na liquid. Ang ginawa ko, kumuha ako ng madaming tissue. Tapos yun na, nilagay ko na sa top para mag-absorb yung liquid, di ba? Kasi mahirap siya pag ititilt ko, baka mahulog, baka matapon ko pa lahat ng kape. So ang ginawa ko, inaksayahan ko na lang yung nila, yung tissue, di ba fair? Fair? So yun, baka ang nangyari doon is baka galit lang siya, or maybe just broke up with her boyfriend, or maybe she's just mad because she's the only one doing coffee for everybody. So yeah, so that I'm just trying to calm myself because I don't want to get mad, but I don't know, I'm just a little bit annoyed. No, not really. I'm not really annoyed. It's not a big deal, but I noticed it. I noticed what she did. Maybe she doesn't like me. Whatever. Okay. So this itong lugar na pupuntahan namin is, I don't know, I've never been there. I've never been in this area, like specific area. And I don't even know where how this place looks like. Of course, park pa din. Kasi naman, what would you expect here in San Francisco? Park galore. Okay, tignan nyo na. Tignan nyo yan, oh. Exercise. That's how you exercise here in the US. Yeah, that's funny. So, I'm inside the car now, and I'm just enjoying my...
Let's go.
Caramel macchiato. Let's go na daw, sabi ni Chris. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, my coffee is almost half empty.
Half empty or half full?
Half empty because I'm drinking it. Okay, so andito ako sa ngayon, sa Golden Gate Bridge. Specifically sa Crissy Field. Tapos, I remember nung nag-party kami ng mga friends ko dito, it used to have a benches. May mga couple of bench. But kinuha nila, I think since the pandemic, strike, wala. Wala na. Socializing is prohibited.
We're all the way out there, yeah.
No, this was the place. Yeah. So here, I'm here sa ano, Prueba. Yun, ang sarap ng ano, not so cold, not mainit, but sunny. Pretty. I like it. So pretty. So, wrong information. But no, no, I don't think so. Yeah, wrong info. I don't know. I'm wrong, I guess. So, we're getting closer to the bridge, but now I'm seeing chairs. So, I guess I've given you a wrong information. You're so nice. You said you need ketchup. You want ketchup?
Yeah, it was nice.
Nice of him. I almost forgot about it. You get ketchup? Verja. Hello. So, ano na po? 2 p.m. in 45 minutos. So we're gonna go grab some lunch, and I don't know what's next. I want to go to Tjmaxx because I want to see some stuff there and see some stuff. No, I have to. Okay, so we're not getting food yet, but we are here in the parking lot because I'm gonna drive, because I still have to take, I've passed the written exam, but I still have to pass the actual. I have so there's two chances, I think. So if you fail the first time, then you can take twice. And if you still fail, then you have to retake it again. So kinakabahan ako, guys, kasi sasakyan kasi to ni Chris. Iba talaga pag yung so gamit ko na yung phone ko na pangit. So naglalagay ng sticker si doon si Chris. Tapos iba talaga pag yung nagtuturo sa iyo is yung kapamilya mo, kasi iba compared to like nagbayad ka ng driving lesson. Kasi nung nagbayad ako, hindi ako kinakabahan. Ngayon kaba. You don't want me to drive on the main road? No, it's too fast in there.
Yeah.
You chose the wrong road.
We're gonna wait till you're a pro in the parking lot first.
Yeah. You chose the wrong.
That guy's backing up. What do you want to do?
I'll stay on this lane.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good, Chris. I'm gonna. So guys, pupunta ako sa Tjmaxx kasi sana makahanap ako ng ng makeup doon. Because I love Tjmaxx and siya, discounted. So may nakita ako dito na ito. Kaso tingnan niyo, ang ganda sana, Sephora. Lang siya, $5. But tingnan niyo yung ginawa ng mga ripa-pips. Tingnan niyo. Sirang-sira. Meron pa akong ibang nakikita dito. Teka lang ha, parang tinago nila eh. Ano na to, pahirapan. Wala eh. Wala akong mahanap. Binuksan. Kanina. Ano siya? May bukas na. So, I'm not buying it. Ano, nagta-try pa rin ako sa skincare. Para sa akin na lang siguro. Pero, parang wala. Walang maganda. Siguro, uwi na lang ako. So, bibili ako ng, ano, ito. Ito. Maybe I should buy this then. Maybe I should buy this. So, I got this one right here. Tapos, it's a hand cream.